In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can merge two PDF file. Here is my two PDF file. I will merge this two PDF file into one file. Merging PDF file is pretty easy thing. First of all, open any internet browser and then search here I love PDF. Now visit ilovepdf.com. I will put this link in the description box. Here as you see, first tool merge PDF. Just click on that. Now select your PDF files. Select your all the PDF file, those file you want to merge. Then click open. Here as you see, file 1 and file 2. If you want to change the order, just drag it in the left side. That's how. Once you are happy with your file order, just click on merge PDF. Once PDF merge done, now click on downloaded merge PDF file. Here as you see, merge PDF file download done. Just I will open this file. In my first PDF file was this two page and the second PDF file was this page 3. Now here as you see, all the pages are in the same PDF file. In this way you can merge multiple PDF file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.